Hi, welcome back. I'm just finishing off my Stuka. It's by Trumpeter 1 to 24. I've put the nose now on the aircraft. There's a few gaps that I'm going to have to fill. Masked all the canopy up. That took some time to mask all that up. On the nose, there's a bit of a gap that I am going to have to fill. That's where a clear part will be. The next thing I will be putting the wings on, and it looks like they go on quite well. I have dry fitted and they do fit, and you can get the right angle, which I do like. So I think they call it the gold wing, I'm not sure, but they do fit very nicely. I've started on the undercarriage. As you can see, there's quite a few pieces that go to make up the undercarriage. I did put them all in, but I didn't bother painting any of these parts, because as you can see from the completed one, you just see the wheel. So I'm now going to complete this wheel off. Just a bit of glue. And this one, it's got a slight angle, so you just got to make sure you get the angle the right way round. Just go off camera just to put some glue on. That fits quite well. I'm put all that in now. I'm just gonna want a bit of the extra thin. Some here cement. And if you want, you could paint all this. I did with the engine that's completely covered. I actually painted it, and it was rewarding. So you could paint the inside. I've now put the other side on and it's all completed. Just a bit of a gap here, which I did have on the one I'd finished. It's not too bad on the gaps though. So that is now completed, that one. So the next step will be to fit the wings on. As I say, they should line up quite well. The same with the tailplane. That all fitted on okay. They all lined up perfectly. There was actually where these go in, key pieces that it locks into, so that you can get it fitting straight. On the tail wheel, they do say to paint this silver. It says on here like to do silver, but I will be doing it the same colour as the rest of it underneath. Well, that's it so far. Thank you for watching, and I shall get the wings on and a few other pieces, the undercarriage, get that mounted, and then it's just ready for paint. And with the painting, you really do need an airbrush for one this size, unless you're really good at painting with a brush. But I do recommend an airbrush for painting this. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon with another update. Thank you.